Open it up. See what's in there. I think it's in the box. It's in his little chair. Do you like your chair? Do you like your chair that Santa brought you?
Open the box.
Yeah, I'll take that.
I always do that. No, I don't have the box taped.
Yeah, it is.
That's it.
Open it up. It's inside. Open it up inside the box. Baby kitty.
Yeah. Open your box.
Come on, come put it to tape. See what's in that box.
Oh, look. Open this. You don't have to get...
Come on, open it. What's in there? Pull it open. Stick your hand in there. There you go. Yay. What is that?
What is it?
Jammies. Your favorite.
Here.
No.
Open this one.
Do that to the side.
I know.
What's in there?
It's a coins.
Ooh.
The coins. The coins.
Whoa.
Here comes 900 horsepower.
Yeah. Take it out. Pull it out of there.
No.
Let's see it. Look, Bo. Where you going?
He's scared of it.
I'm all
Look,
revved up.
it's a race. Look, it's Lightning McQueen. Look.
It's okay. Come back. We'll open another one. Come here.
Daddy opened it.
Oh, no. Baby's scared now.
Bo, come back.